Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have a 2015 Nissan Versa, and in this video I'll show you how to check your fluids in this car. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we pop the hood. Over here we have a latch, raise it up and secure the hood. Okay guys, so I want to tell you right away that the exact brand type and fluid type, you should always check your manual for it, just to make sure you don't void your warranty if you have one. Okay, all right, so let's start. It's a little windy today. Let's start. Over here we have our windshield washer fluid. Okay, this is how you open it, this is how you close it. You can always refill it with windshield washer fluid and water if the weather is above freezing temperatures. Okay, next step in this car is brake fluid. Okay, to check brake fluid, open and you should see it. If you don't see it, it means it's low. If it's low, it means you're leaking somewhere. So make sure that the thing is with this brake fluid that the brake fluid doesn't evaporate. So if you're losing, it means you're losing some, and you lose brakes, okay, once the pressure is gone. So make sure you check on that. Okay, yeah, this is DOT3 or no, this is only DOT3 type, okay, of fluid. Next step is coolant. Okay, in the car, this is our coolant. Make sure, again, if the car is hot, you don't open it. All right, over here we should have somewhere marks. Yeah, we have it on this side. We have marks of min and max. It should be in the middle. Antifreeze, or in extreme situations you could use water, but again, if the weather is above freezing temperatures. This is a radiator cap. You don't want to open this because when the car was working, and if the car is hot, it builds up pressure, and once you open this, if the car is hot, you're gonna get the boiling antifreeze in your face, and you don't want to have that. Can lose your eyes. Next step, again, now power steering fluid. There is no power steering fluid in this car because it has electronic power steering pump, electric or whatever. And transmission dipstick, I couldn't find one. I checked online and it looks like this car doesn't have a transmission dipstick. So to check transmission fluid condition, level, etc., you have to go to mechanic, either to dealer. Okay, so next step is motor oil. I'm gonna get a rag and show you how to check the motor oil. Okay, checking motor oil is simple. Get a rag, make sure the car is cold. Usually check oil right away before you start it in the morning. So just come to the car while the car is cold, get the dipstick out, dry it up with it on a rag. Just dry it up, put the dipstick back in, get it out, and then you can check the level. Okay, the car was working a little bit, that's why the level is a little bit higher than it should be. That's normal, but usually the level should be somewhere in this gap. All right, if you need to add some oil, this is the oil cover here, oil cap. Open it, pour some in, check oil again, pour some more if you need to, if you have to get more oil, and if not, you're good. So yeah guys, this is it. There's no more fluids. Yes, there is also Freon in this car, but let your mechanic take care of Freon. Okay, all right, so this is pretty much it. If this helps, press like, and have a nice day. And remember, all fluid types and everything is in your manual, so check that. Bye.